After putting on your safety goggles and gloves, you want to make an upwards cut to the liver and diaphragm, stopping at that point, and then make a sideways cut at the middle of the torso and legs, and do that on the other side as well. And then when you're done with that, you want to cut off all the extra skin. So after doing that, you want to locate the liver and cut it out. The liver creates proteins for blood and stores and releases glucose. It's pretty big, so it's pretty noticeable. It's at the very top. Notice that rats don't have gallbladders. Next is the pancreas. It is a light tissue and it is attached to the stomach. Next to the stomach, it is like a circle and is like under the liver. So underneath the stomach is the spleen. The spleen cleans the blood from damaged particles and foreign particles. Next is the small intestine. It comes right after the stomach and just cut out where you see it is attached to. Next is the large intestine. It first starts underneath the small intestine and then comes up by it. Next, under the digestive tract, there is the kidney. There's two of them, and on each side, and they look like kidney bean. So we didn't take out all of the small intestines and large intestines, so we took them out from where it was attached and just cut them and placed them on the part sheet. Since this is a girl rat, you want to look for a V shape thing that's at the bottom by the tail. It's an ovary. Here we just cut out more of the ovaries on the other side. So next, there is the diaphragm. It's like a wall of muscle and tissue, and you just want to take that out, just pull. So next at the bottom, it is the liver, more of it. We forgot to take it all out. So here is more of the diaphragm. Just pull. Next is the lungs. They are underneath the heart. You just want to open up all the flaps where you cut out farther and just cut out where it is attached to. So next is the tongue. What you're going to do is with your scissors just try and cut open the mouth. If you can, it's very hard, but if you really have to, you can break the skull with your scissors. We did not do that. We just opened the mouth and then reached in and with the tweezers grabbed a tiny piece of the tongue. So now we are going to do the brain and the ears. So what you want to do first is starting in between the eyes, just like the frog, cut upwards. Make sure to get a deep enough cut and use the tips of your scissors like any other dissection. Then with the tweezers, just reach in where you cut and pull, and you will get a piece of the brain, which is like small and cream colored or light pink. So after cutting the way we did, you want to cut where the eye is around it like we did for the frog, and then pull back and with the tweezers take out the eyelids. Good luck.